Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back here to Aquatic Plants SA. Today I want to talk to you guys a bit about our new product that we have. It's a Pygmy Sundew Gemmae collection kit, and I'm just going to show you what is included, how it works, and how it can help you grow your own pygmy collection. Right, so included in this kit is the apparatus to collect the Gemmae. Basically creates a vacuum with a pipe at the top and a pipe at the bottom. Then also a pot with soil, as well as 25 plus Gemmae already collected for you. So upon receipt of this kit, all you have to do is tear open this packet, sprinkle the Gemmae on the soil and sprinkle it with some water, and then just leave them and wait for them to germinate, which should be within a couple of weeks. So now okay, so to demonstrate how this works is basically you're going to make sure that the seal is nice and closed. Just make sure your pipes are evenly in out of their holes, and then you're going to take this side in your mouth and this side to the Gemmae, and then just gently place it over the Gemmae, and then as you do that you suck from this side. And as you can see, there we have quite a bit of Gemmae collected, and that is as easy as that. Okay, so to demonstrate how to use this once received, you're going to have your soil and then just open your bag with the Gemmae and then just gently sprinkle it evenly into the soil, making sure that there's none left behind. Right, then so now that we've done that, you can see here some of the green of the Gemmae, and then all we're going to do is just give it a sprinkle of water, just a light misting to get them settled onto the soil, and then wait a few weeks for germination, and pretty soon you'll have your own collection of Pygmy Sundews ready to go.